In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a disclaimer in HubSpot emails. We'll walk through this step by step so you can quickly update your email templates and make sure every message includes the right legal or informational text at the bottom. First, log into your HubSpot account using your usual login details. Once you're in, look over to the main navigation menu on the left-hand side of the screen. There, you'll see a section labeled Marketing. Hover your mouse over Marketing to reveal its options, and then click on Email. This will take you to your list of marketing emails. On this email list page, you'll see all the emails you've already created. Find the specific email where you want to add a disclaimer. Once you've located it, move your cursor over that email row. When you hover over it, additional options will appear. Click on Edit to open the email in the editor. Inside the email editor, you'll see a preview of your email layout. Now, scroll down to the bottom of the email until you reach the footer section. This is usually where you'll find your company information, unsubscribe link, and physical address. Click directly on the footer area. As soon as you click it, the settings and content options for the footer will appear in a panel on the left side of the screen. In that left panel, look for the text field that controls the footer content. This is where you'll add your disclaimer. Click into the text field and type in the disclaimer you want to use. For example, you might write something like, "Disclaimer. This email is intended for the recipient only. The content is confidential and may not be shared without permission." You can customize this message to match your company's policies, legal requirements, or any specific guidance from your legal or compliance team. Take a moment to review the wording for clarity and tone. Make sure it's easy for recipients to understand and that it covers the information you need, such as confidentiality, liability, or sharing restrictions. As you're typing and making changes, HubSpot automatically saves your work, so you don't need to worry about losing your disclaimer. Once you're happy with how it looks in the preview, you're done. Your email now includes a disclaimer in the footer, and it will appear whenever this email is sent.